Welcome back to our PLIMS PYQ series, in which we are solving PLIMS PYQs from 1979 to 2024. Here, it is based on theme wise and subject wise. The same question will be appearing on your PYQ portal on the Edukme website, and the class notes will be provided for it. Link is in description below. आपको बता दूं कि हमारा जो PSP है 2025 का, it is still ongoing and you can check out its feature. So today's topic is Congress sessions. Let's start with the question number 1. 1979 का क्वेश्चन है, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. लखनऊ कांग्रेस सेशन ऑफ 1916 refers to it was given or the concession of separate electorates for the Muslims was accepted by Indian National Congress. So the answer is A. Merger नहीं हुआ था. Selection of Muslim leader as Congress president, no. None of the above, no. Concession दिया गया था, separate electorates को मान लिया गया था. 1916 session was headed by A.C. Mazumdar, Ambika Charan Mazumdar. Please make a note out of it. Let's move to next question, which is question number 2. The first session of Indian National Congress in 1885 was held at पहला सेशन बॉम्बे में हुआ है and it was headed by W.C. Banerjee. Just remember this. Not Lahore, not Lucknow, not Calcutta. Calcutta में second session हुआ था. Moving to next question, question number 3. Before going into that, you can check out the PSP and its features. It has practice test and essay sheet, marathon sessions, book reading sessions, revision sessions, sectional test, full and test, UPSC mixed test, current affairs revisions of 1 year, CSAT support and mentorship, test discussion and that at last Prayas. Here are some of the achievements or USPs of our PSP. Question number 3. Consider the following sessions of Indian National Congress. अब इसको रीअरेंज करना है as per the question. तो देखते हैं. The session in which the Muslim League and the Indian National Congress met jointly. तो it was 1916. आपने देखा लखनऊ पैक्ट थे, उसी के बारे में है. The Indian National Congress was divided into two groups. It was talking about 1907 Surat split. The resolution for complete independence was passed. It is in 1929. Then the non-cooperation resolution was passed. It is 1920. अब इसको अरेंज करते हैं. If you want to arrange it, this comes first, then this, 2, 1, and then 4, then 3. The answer is B. Moving to next question, which is question number 4. In 1921, the session of Indian National Congress was held when its president was in prison and with some other leaders acting as president. Who was the Congress president in prison? Prison में कौन थे Congress president? So it was, always remember, it was C.R. Das. Chittaranjan Das. Answer is C. Moving to next question, which is question number 5. Who among the following suggested the winding up of Indian National Congress after the India attained independence? 1996 question है. It was Mahatma Gandhi who suggested that there should be winding up of Indian National Congress because it has attained its goal of independence. Moving to next question. Okay, our CSAT course is live by Devinder sir. It has the following elements. You can see, you can scan this QR code and you can take the benefit of this course. Moving to next question, which is question number 6. Consider the following statements about the Indian National Congress. Sarojini Naidu was the first woman to be president of Congress. Now, it was Eni Besant who was the first president of Congress or woman president of Congress. But if I talk about Sarojini Naidu, he was the first Indian woman president. पहला स्टेटमेंट इसलिए गलत हो जाता है. अगर मैं पहला हटा दूं तो आई एम लेफ्ट विथ बी एंड सी. इसमें से 2 and 4 आर कॉमन इन बोथ. आई कैन राइट एज 2 and 4 are correct. C.R. Das was in prison when he functioned as president. हमने पिछले क्वेश्चन में देखा. And Alfred Webb was the president of Congress in 1894. Yes, this is also correct. The first Britisher, the first Britisher to become the president of the Congress was A.O. Hume. Now, this is not correct. This is not correct. The answer is George Yule was the first Britisher who became the president of Congress. थर्ड भी गलत है. आंसर अपने आप मुझे 2 मिला क्योंकि थर्ड गलत है. Moving to next question, question number 7. While delivering the presidential address, the Congress president who advocated the introduction of Roman script for Hindi language was 2000 का क्वेश्चन है. ये बहुत फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन है. नॉट नेहरू, नॉट आजाद, नॉट गांधी. इट वाज सुभाष चंद्र बोस. इसको याद कर लीजिएगा. बहुत फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन है. जस्ट मेक अ नोट आउट ऑफ इट. एंड इट वाज इन 1938 हरिपुरा सेशन. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Who among the following leaders proposed to adopt complete independence, this is Purna Swaraj, as the goal of the Congress in the Ahmedabad session of 1920? 1920 में किसने कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस की आवाज उठा दी थी? तो ये देखते हैं. इट वाज नॉट नेहरू. नेहरू was advocated for Purna Swaraj in 1928-29. Not Gandhi. Not Azad. It was Hazrat Mohani. It was Hazrat Mohani. Answer is B. Moving to next question. The president of Indian National Congress at the time of partition in India was. अब ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. तो ध्यान होगा कि 1940 to 1946 the Congress president was Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. But after 1946, the 1947 की बात करें जब partition हो रहा था तब JB Kripalani was the president of Indian National Congress. The answer here is B. JB Kripalani is the answer. Moving to next question. Question number 10. With reference to Indian freedom struggle, which one of the following statements is not correct? Not correct पूछा हुआ है. अब इसको देखते हैं. Rowlatt Act aroused a wave of popular indignation and led to Jallianwala Bagh massacre. It can be said as correct. Subhash Chandra Bose formed the forward bloc. It is correct. Bhagat Singh was one of the founders. Yes, it is correct, and it is one of the moderate statement. In 1931, the Congress session at Karachi opposed the Gandhi Irwin Pact. Now, this is a fact. एंड दिस फैक्ट जनरली यूपीएससी ना गलत लेती है. यहाँ पता भी होगा कि कांग्रेस ने एंडोर्स किया था गांधी अर्बन पैक्ट को, ना कि अपोज. आंसर इज डी बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग नॉट करेक्ट. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. द फर्स्ट सेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज हेल्ड इन कैलकाटा. हमने देखा कि फर्स्ट सेशन कहाँ हुआ है, बॉम्बे में हुआ है इन अर्लियर क्वेश्चंस. दिस इज रॉन्ग. तो अपने आप फर्स्ट हट गया. सेकंड सेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज हेल्ड अंडर द प्रेसिडेंटशिप ऑफ दादा भाई नारोजी. नाउ दिस स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. Third, both Indian National Congress and Muslim League held the sessions at Lucknow in 1916 and concluded the Lucknow Pact. Now ये क्वेश्चन पहले भी आया हुआ है किसी फॉर्म में, आपने देखा होगा अर्लियर क्वेश्चंस में. ये भी स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. आंसर आपका सी 2 and 3. You can see the first session of Indian National Congress was held under W.C. Banerjee 1885 in Bombay, and the second session was held in Calcutta under Dadabhai Naoroji. Moving to next question, question number 11. माफ कीजिएगा, this is numbering error. This should be actually question number 12, but ठीक है. At which Congress session was the working committee authorized to launch a program of civil disobedience? Civil disobedience कहाँ था, कहाँ से launch हुआ था? So basically it was Lahore session and which was headed by Jawaharlal Nehru. At Lahore session, which was in 1929, the president was Jawaharlal Nehru. The working committee was authorized to launch a program of civil disobedience. Moving to next question. Who drafted the resolution on fundamental rights for the Karachi session of Congress in 1931? आपको बता दूं कराची सेशन में जो फंडामेंटल राइट्स ड्राफ्ट किए थे इट वाज ड्राफ्टेड बाय पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. आंसर इज बी. ये फैक्ट्स पता होना चाहिए. इट इज इजीली गिवन एंड इट कैन बी इजीली सीन इन स्पेक्ट्रम. Nehru drafted the resolution on fundamental rights and the Karachi session was presided by Sardar Patel. ये फैक्ट पता होना चाहिए. मेक ए नोट आउट ऑफ इट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Under whose presidency was the Lahore session of Indian Congress held in the year 1929, wherein a resolution was passed or adopted to gain complete independence from the British? 2006 का क्वेश्चन है. अगेन अ रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन. कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस, रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन, पूर्ण स्वराज के बारे में पूछ रहा है. आंसर इज जवाहरलाल नेहरू 1930 में. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 14. Where was the first session of Indian National Congress held in December 1885? दिसंबर 1885 में पहला सेशन जो हो रहा है कहाँ हो रहा है? तो हमने देखा पहले के क्वेश्चंस में कहाँ हो रहा है. इट वाज इन बॉम्बे एंड सेकंड सेशन वाज इन कलकत्ता. आंसर इज बी. Moving to next question. Okay, before moving to next question, we can see the solution here. And the first session of INC was in 1885 in Bombay under the presidency of W.C. Banerjee. Question number 15 पे आते हैं. Four resolutions were passed at the famous Calcutta session of INC in 1906. The question of either retention or rejection of these four resolutions became a cause of split in the Congress in the next Congress session in Surat. Which one of the following was not one of the resolutions? Now, on the annulment of partition of Bengal, everyone is agreeing, but not in this. The answer is annulment of partition of Bengal. Answer is A. Moving to next question. For the Karachi session of Indian National Congress in 1931, which was presided by Sardar Patel, who drafted the resolution on fundamental rights and economic program? ये देखो रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है, पूछा हुआ है पहले. आंसर सिंपल है, नेहरू. अब देख सकते हैं लाहौर सेशन, कराची सेशन इज रिपीटेडली आस्क्ड, तो आपको पता है कि कौन से थीम पे आपको प्रिपेयर करना है. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. द लाहौर सेशन ऑफ द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट because the Congress passed a resolution demanding complete independence. Second, the rift between extremists and moderates was resolved at this time. No, it was 1916. So second is wrong. The resolution was passed rejecting the two-nation theory. No, it was not there. The answer is A, one only. Moving to next question. The 1929 session of Indian National Congress is of significance in the history of freedom movement because देखते हैं attainment of self-government was declared as the goal, attainment of पूर्ण स्वराज was adopted as the goal, non-cooperation movement was launched, it was 1921, ये गलत है, decision to participate in RTC in London was taken, no. अब इन दोनों में डाउट हो सकता है आपको, तो इट वाज पूर्ण स्वराज वाज अडॉप्टेड एज अ गोल ऑन द कांग्रेस, क्योंकि उसके पहले सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट की बात चल ही रही थी. 18th इज बी. नेक्स्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन, द फर्स्ट, इसमें भी नंबरिंग एरर है. द फर्स्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द दिस वीडियो, कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आज इन 2015. द फर्स्ट वुमेन प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज सरोजिनी नायडू. जो हमने पहला क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया था, हमने देखा होगा सेम था, तो यूपीएससी ने देखो वापस रिपीट कर दिया 1970s के क्वेश्चन. द फर्स्ट वुमेन प्रेसिडेंट वाज एनी बेसेंट एंड द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन प्रेसिडेंट वाज सरोजिनी नायडू. तो यहाँ ये स्टेटमेंट इसीलिए गलत हो जाता है. द फर्स्ट मुस्लिम प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज बदरुद्दीन त्याबजी. यस, दिस इज करेक्ट. आंसर इज बी. Badruddin Tyabji held the chairmanship of Madras Session 1887. With this, we conclude this video. Thank you.